Look what arrived in the mail. It's our CD from Dallas. I'm gonna open it. Ah! Oh my gosh. So exciting. So exciting. Holy cow. I never thought I'd have a CD. I never thought I'd sing Brünnhilde. I never thought I'd sing Brünnhilde on a CD with Fabio Luisi and the Dallas Symphony Orchestra. Mind officially blown. Amazing cast. My sweetheart, Chris Ventris. Unforgettable. Thank you, Dallas. Thank you for this. Very excited.